Hello, fellow garden enthusiasts. Welcome to Smart Farming Inside. And today, we're diving into the wonderful world of spinach harvesting. If you thought there was just one way to collect these nutrient-packed greens, prepare to be amazed. I'll walk you through 5 proven methods, including a game-changing advanced technique that commercial growers are starting to adopt. When to harvest spinach. Before we jump into harvesting methods, let's talk timing. The beauty of spinach is its flexibility. You can harvest it as microgreens, baby leaves, or fully mature plants. My personal favorite time? About 30 minutes before dinner, when the leaves are at their freshest. Important tip: keep an eye on the temperature. Once it consistently reaches 75 degrees Fahrenheit in your area, harvest quickly. At this temperature, spinach tends to bolt, produce seed stalks, turning the leaves bitter and ending your harvest season prematurely. Method 1. Leaf-by-leaf harvest. Our first method is perfect for the home gardener who wants continuous harvests. Tools needed: pruning shears, scissors, or kitchen shears. Best for extending harvest season, small daily harvests. Simply select mature outer leaves, hold them in one hand, and snip at the stem with your cutting tool. This allows the center of the plant to continue growing, giving you spinach for weeks longer than other methods. Method 2. Bunch harvesting. This method is ideal when you need larger quantities, but still want your plants to regrow. Tools needed: sharp serrated knife. Best for bulk harvesting with regrowth potential. Gather all the leaves from one plant in your hand, then cut through the stems about 2 inches above the crown, the point where all stems meet at soil level. Your spinach will typically regrow in 10 to 14 days, allowing for multiple harvests. Method 3. Whole plant harvest. When it's time to clear space or your plants are competing with weeds, this method is your friend. Tools needed: garden knife. Best for end-of-season harvest, clearing beds. Slip your knife just below the crown at soil level and cut the entire plant. This one-and-done approach gives you the maximum harvest from each plant, but eliminates future growth. Method 4. Mechanical harvesting. For market gardeners or those with extensive spinach beds, mechanical solutions are worth considering. Tools needed: quick-cut greens harvester. Best for large-scale harvesting, market gardens. These hand-powered tools use a drill to quickly cut and collect spinach using the clear-cutting method. While expensive, around $500, they dramatically increase efficiency for larger operations. Method 5. Root ball transplant harvesting. Here's an advanced technique many don't know about that's gaining popularity among professional growers. Tools needed: garden fork or trowel, containers with soil. Best for extended winter harvests, indoor growing. Instead of cutting your spinach plants, carefully dig up the entire root ball in late fall. Transplant these established plants into containers with fresh soil and bring them indoors to a cool, sunny location. The established root system will continue producing throughout winter, giving you fresh harvests when outdoor growing is impossible. Come spring, you can either harvest the entire plant or transplant it back outdoors for a head start. Bonus: my winter spinach success story. Last year, I implemented a season extension system that yielded over 20 pounds of spinach from a small bed. I used cold-hardy varieties like giant winter spinach planted in September, then protected them with repurposed glass shower doors on a wooden frame. With this setup, I harvested fresh spinach all winter using the leaf-by-leaf method, then switched to bunch harvesting in early spring when growth exploded. The key factors were cold-tolerant varieties, simple protection from extreme cold, proper harvest timing to encourage regrowth. There you have it, 5 proven ways to maximize your spinach harvests. Whether you're growing in containers on a balcony or managing market garden beds, these methods will help you get the most from your spinach plants. If you enjoyed this video, please hit that subscribe button for more garden tips and techniques. Until next time, happy growing.